Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is types of business environment. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning of business environment, elements of business environment, nature of business environment, and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the types of business environment. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is types of business environment. So there are different types of factors, environmental factors, which is classified into different types of levels, which is known as types of business environment, which are as follows. First one is internal environment, second is external environment. These external and internal environment included different types of factors which affect the business directly or it may be indirectly. Now discuss here each of the factors one by one in detail. So first one is the internal factors. The internal factors are generally regarded as controllable factors because the company has control over their factors. It can alter or modify such factors as its personnel, physical facilities, organization structure by functional means such as marketing mix. So internal factors are those factors which are the factors of any organization internal. It may be their resources, it may be their human resources, it may be their financial resources, and so on. So these are the controllable factors of the organization. The second one is the external factors, which include basically micro factors, task factors, operating environmental, macro factors, general or remote environment, industrial policy, demography, etc. These are those factors which are not in the control of an organization, such as economic factors, socio-cultural factors, government policies, legal factors, demographic factors, geophysical factors, etc. The policies made by government, maybe fiscal or monetary policy, is not under control of any organization. The demography, the segmentation of the market is not under control of any type of businesses. So what is the meaning of microenvironment? Factors which affect a company's immediate environment for the performance of the company is known as microenvironment. These include the suppliers' marketing and intermediaries, competitors, customers, and the public. Microenvironment consists large structural process that affect all the factors in the company's microenvironment, namely the demographic, economic, natural, technical, political, and cultural forces. So there are different types of micro factors, microenvironmental factors like competitors, customers, and so on. This is also included under the external factors. So this is all about the factors affecting business environment or types of business environment. Now again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So there are basically two types of environment, which are internal environment, external environment. Internal environment basically included the controllable factors of the organization like marketing mix, physical factors, personal factors, and so on. Whereas external environment include macro environment, operating environment, task environment, industrial policy, economic factors, monetary and physical policy of government, legal factors, demographic factors, market segmentation, and so on. So this is all about the types of business environment. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We met in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.